Don't go into the showroom with no ideas, no clue what you like. At least go on the web, look around. What do you like? What calls to you? Have some idea of what your style is before you're in the showroom seeing all these beautiful things. So have a plan before you go in.
When you go to Badcock and you're looking for furniture, you really do want to think about the function. It's really easy to get caught up in how pretty everything is or how stylish all the furniture is, but make sure you go and sit in that chair and make sure you're going to be comfortable. If you're going to be watching TV or your husband's going to be sitting in that chair, you want to make sure it's comfortable for you.
I think sometimes people are afraid to ask salespeople for help. They're literally there to do that. They want to help you. They would love to help you.
Yeah.
Let them do their job. Let them walk you through the store. Let them help you move the piece of furniture into another area of the store so you can see if you like them together. That's what they're there for.